Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Spotify account step by step. Let's get started. First, go to your Spotify website in your browser and log into your account. And this will open the home page of your Spotify. Then here in the top left corner of the screen, tap the profile icon. And here go to the settings and privacy. Then here in the settings and privacy, tap the accounts. Then here search for the close account and click it and follow the prompts. Spotify will confirm your deleting account and if not just canceling premium. Then the Spotify will send you a confirmation email. Open it and click the Close My Account link to finalize. Your Spotify account is now permanently deleted. Keep in mind that once deleted, you'll lose all your playlist, followers, and saved music. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.